Hey guys, Super Movie Crazy. Once again, I am sorry for the audio, but my actual camera is being a little bitch and not doing this correctly, so I'm gonna have to stick with like bare basics. But at least the picture quality is good. So yeah, here I got Sam Raimi's The Evil Dead, and we have someone being grabbed by the underworld, and I have no idea why I'm doing such a stupid accent. So we got a skeleton grabbing a beheaded head, which looks like it's still alive, really, and trees. That. So right, let's open this beauty up. And we got the disc there. And do not discard The Evil Dead Ultraviolet if you want it. Wait for it to focus. Okay, it's not going to focus. Now, if you want it, work it out. I got my receipt, which I'm getting into the habit of doing now. Just collecting them, putting them here. I bought this for £9.75, and yeah, quite cheap. Movie extras, I've already redeemed that, so there's no point. Let's take the disc out, put it there. And we got a nice scary face here. This is like the trapdoor scene, or the cellar scene sort of thing. Yeah, it's quite a nice picture, really. If you take away the scary eyeballs, or the scary face, or the whole zombified face, but that's quite a cool image. It's a shame they didn't put that on the outside. That would have been cooler. So here we got the other one. It's like a matte finish, so you don't get your fucking finger marks all over it, which is good, because I hate these fucking ones, the gloss ones. The spine here is quite good. Sony, just Blu-ray. Yeah, and we've already discussed this part. So that's like the entire cover art. Let's go to the disc. So you have The Evil Dead, and then it's an 18. It's region free. So that means, if you don't know, you can get it. You can play it anywhere around the world. So if you got an American player, you can watch the film in a different country. So yeah, that's about it. Just put all my shit back inside. Yeah, it's a decent film. I was kind of worried when I was buying this, because the Blu-ray, I was kind of hoping they wouldn't put so much crisp clean into it, because these kind of films look better with a bit of green, but I wanted it on Blu-ray to go up here. This shelf really looks naked. I need more. Yeah. So I will be doing another one of these in a second. So yeah, subscribe to Unboxing the Unboxable down here, or down there in the comments. Either. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in a bit. Wait a minute. Someone's already did that. Bugger. Unboxing Unboxable, you beat me to that one. See you in a bit.